First, I'm putting the cover onto a microphone so that it stops all the sounds of like wind and this is when you're outside. So yeah, this just goes on like this. And then you've got to put it into the stand so it can be held easier. And you just slide this on in.
You guys are,
Perfect. And then there's this end of the cable here with the 3 dots. And it's got a little pressure so you can put it in and out. You line up with the 3 dots in there with the 3 holes. And you just, ignore that. Just clip it in, and then you get the other end of the cable, and you put it into this hole here with the push there, and you just push it in like that.
And to remove it, Laurel, what do?
You push down with this button here.
Yep.
And pull it out. And then, you know, you do the same on the other one with the button here. And then this can be held to record things. And as you can see on the screen here, this bar moves when people talk. So here's our footage we've just shot. And this bar here is showing people are talking and you can hear noise.
Perfect.
yeah, so those shuttles twins. Is that like, we do like, you know in clubs, how when people need a breather, or like have like them on the stairs, you know?
Yeah, I
And
like.
then the friend comes and she's like, come on, come back in.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
like
so
a little
smart.
chit-chat.
A little like smoke break.
Yeah.
You got it.
I got it, girl.
You got it.
This is cute. So let's watch Laurel.
Oh my god.
So,
You go so full out. She really gets in there.
arm. Where's the arm? Who did
Oh,
the
the arm's
tripod?
over here.
Just zooming in on your own face.
Focus on the eyes.
Focus.
Okay, don't do too much movement. Just try to focus.
Laurel.
Hi, these are my ugly stepsisters. I'm Cinderella. No, yeah, that was just a joke.
That's cute.
Okay, right, you on there? That's fixed, isn't it?
Millie, what's your song?
Okay. 3, 2, 1, action.
It's actually fucking crazy in there.
Yeah.
Like, oh, and there's this bitch, she's wearing the same top as you.
Who does she think she is?
Like, honestly, oh shit, she's fucking coming over.
Cut.
I think I'm gonna be real with you. Your top's so much better.
Isn't it? I'm sorry. What is she
I
wearing?
know, like short sleeves.
Short sleeves say it's winter.
Wait, look, the far.
3, 2, 1, action. Cut. Okay. And then
Did you want a close?
I want a close up.
So I'm looking at you when we say the short sleeves.
3, 2, 1, action.
Like, why is she wearing short sleeves?
Yeah, like babe, it's winter.
For real, like, wait.
Wait, what were our lines?
As it's happening.
Yeah.
Are they?
Not yet.
Can say like they're ready because otherwise I'm gonna like just start running.
Stand by.
Standing by.
Camera rolling. Action.
Sorry, what are we doing?
Action.
Nice.
Cut. Hang on. Hang on, Max. 3, 2, 1. Camera rolling. Action.